Something bizarre happened today. Coinbase suspends a lot of accounts, including Shiba Inu holders. The crazy part? There's no reason at all, nothing. What's even crazier is that even with massive burns recently, people are skeptical. And Satoshi Kusama just had the perfect response. Will this get resolved, or is this the end for the community? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. What a strange day for Shiba Inu. There's been an issue going around the Shiba Inu community lately, and it's causing a lot of people to panic. It's one of those things that's got everyone talking, and you can feel the tension building up. People are really starting to worry about what this could mean for the future of Shiba Inu. Apparently, Coinbase, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there, is starting to restrict accounts. A lot of users are claiming they've been banned for no reason at all, and it's leaving people confused and frustrated. At first, Coinbase tried to brush it off in a Twitter post, saying it wasn't true. But as things went on, it has been proved that, yep, it is actually happening right now. And it's something that's happened in the past as well. This whole situation has definitely created a huge buzz in the Shiba Inu community. And honestly, a lot of fear too. As you probably know, most Shiba Inu holders are on Coinbase, and some even remember when Coinbase added Shiba Inu to its app name 3 years ago. Back in 2021, Shiba Inu had this insane bull run that got everyone talking. So, with all the uncertainty going around right now, it's no surprise that the FUD is having an impact. The price has even taken a little dip today because of it. But honestly, as it looks, there's no need to worry about this price drop. Analysts believe Shiba Inu is actually on the verge of a big price breakthrough, and it's looking pretty strong right now. Just now, a well-known crypto analyst shared a post on X, saying that Shiba Inu is likely to see some serious price gains in the near future. In fact, he set some pretty high short-term targets, suggesting the price could rise by a huge percentage in the next few months. The analyst explained that this price movement could happen if Shiba Inu repeats a pattern from March 2024, when its price surged after its RSI, or Relative Strength Index, shot up. The good news is the RSI is already back over that key level, meaning there's still room for growth. Another crypto analyst also said Shiba Inu is looking good. While they were a bit more conservative, predicting a smaller price jump, the overall sentiment is still positive. There's a lot of hope for a breakout soon. In fact, looking at the bigger picture, some crypto analysts are now speculating that Bitcoin might actually be in a supercycle. There's been a lot of talk lately about whether the market has entered this new phase, especially with Bitcoin's recent surge. A well-known economist has weighed in, saying that this cycle feels different. He believes there's been a revolutionary shift in how the cryptocurrency world is viewed and integrated into global systems. Bitcoin's consistent growth and its recent push past the 100,000 mark really helped back up this idea, cementing its place as the market leader. If you look at the charts, there's a clear breakout from Bitcoin's previous downward trend. It's been steadily rising over the past few months and is now consolidating just under that 100,000 mark. This creates some short-term resistance, with market participants likely taking profits. But Bitcoin still has strong fundamentals behind it, with solid buying activity at lower levels. This suggests that it's gearing up for more long-term growth. What sets a supercycle apart from regular cycles is that it's driven by real changes in the market, like institutional adoption, clearer regulations, and advancements in technology, things that seem to be playing in cryptocurrency's favor right now. This idea might actually hold some weight, especially when you think back to 2021, when cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu were on an absolute tear. It was a massive rally that had everyone talking. One Twitter user even pointed out how this Bitcoin cycle is starting to look really similar to the one in 2020 to 2021, both in terms of returns and the time that's passed since the bottom. They made an interesting point, saying that Bitcoin went up 3 times from a similar point last time to hit around $64,000. So, if the same pattern plays out now, a 3 times increase would put Bitcoin at around $300,000. That's pretty wild, right? But here's where it gets even wilder. So, does this mean Shiba Inu will follow the same path? Well, if you look at history, Shiba Inu and Bitcoin have often moved in a similar fashion, with their prices rising and falling in sync. This connection has definitely sparked a lot of hype in the Shiba Inu community, with people getting excited about the possibility that Shiba Inu might see a massive rally just like Bitcoin. It's all got everyone talking, and you can feel the hype building as people start to imagine where this could go. Speaking of hype, as you've probably noticed, There have been some pretty crazy burns happening recently. A lot of people in the community believe that this is the main reason why Shiba Inu is doing so well right now. But Satoshi Kusama, the mysterious lead developer of Shiba Inu, just addressed this idea, and he wants to set the record straight. He reminded everyone that Shiba Inu isn't just thriving because of burns. It's about much more than that. Kusama issued a statement in response to the many Shiba Inu fans who've been stressing that burns are key to driving Shiba Inu's demand. While he acknowledged that burns play a part, he made it clear that Shiba Inu's growth is driven by a combination of factors, including increased utility, new partnerships, and the entire ecosystem built around the shibarium blockchain. Instead of putting all the focus on burns, Kusama emphasized the importance of a more well-rounded strategy that involves utility, governance, and influence to really make an impact. According to Kusama, the success of Shiba Inu will come from key partnerships within its ecosystem and the revenue those partnerships bring, which will, in turn, increase burns and create positive sentiment over time. He also pointed out that boosting Shiba Inu's utility and continuing to roll out projects that attract new users will be the best way to ramp up burns. To wrap it up, Kusama said it best: Shiba Inu is going well. And it isn't because we burnt an enormous amount of Shiba Inu, only it's because we are Shiba Inu. Zoom out. Kusama's vision is about looking at the bigger picture and focusing on things that will keep Shiba Inu growing sustainably. It's not just about the hype. It's about building something solid for the future. Despite all the drama going on right now, the support from the Shiba Inu community is absolutely incredible. With all the hard work being put in by the developers and all the exciting developments happening behind the scenes, it's safe to say that we're about to enter a really exciting new era for Shiba Inu. Lucy, one of the key figures in the community, tweeted recently that next year is just the beginning of a major bull run. She even said, "Relax, it's 2025 bull run season." What she means by this is that the real excitement is still ahead of us. It's not a quick race. It's a marathon. The people who are on top right now might not even be the ones who finish strong. It's a reminder to stay patient and keep an eye on long-term growth, because things are about to get really interesting. Lucy's words show just how much potential there is for Shiba Inu, and actually the whole crypto space as well. Many analysts believe the whole crypto space is on the verge of a big boost. They're even suggesting that larger companies should start holding cryptocurrency, as it's proven to be a solid investment over time. One Twitter user recently shared an interesting point, highlighting that some of the biggest companies out there are sitting on massive amounts of cash, about $800 billion, and yet they hold zero cryptocurrency. The user went on to explain that cash is slowly losing its value every year due to inflation, and this makes holding on to it less wise in the long run. He suggested that, with crypto continuing to rise in value, it would be much smarter for these companies to start investing in cryptocurrency now. It's a way for them to make their money work harder, with the potential for big returns as time goes on. And what's truly phenomenal is that it looks like it has already begun, as Amazon shareholders request the company to add Bitcoin to its treasury. Essentially, it's a much wiser investment choice for the future. Looking ahead, the future of Shiba Inu is looking really promising. The entire crypto space is evolving, and Shiba Inu is right in the middle of it, positioning itself for long-term growth. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.